Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Now, before we get started and jump into this review, I want to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. You can grab the reviewed product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you my three awesome bonuses that are going to help you make money even faster. Okay, so for bonus number one, you're going to get my detailed strategy for YouTube SEO. That's right, you'll be able to rank your YouTube videos in 2024 on the first page. Rank your YouTube videos with proven SEO strategies I successfully used in 2023 that will continue to work in 2024. You want to get your YouTube videos ranking on the first page and driving more views? In this bonus guide, I'll show you my proven step-by-step blueprint to optimize your videos for YouTube search. Just roll up your sleeves and follow the checklist to start ranking your videos higher in YouTube and getting them in front of your ideal audience. The steps work as we head into 2024, driven by search behavior data and best practices. Okay, so for bonus number two, access to a strategy that includes a virtually unknown website that will give you 25,000 new email subscribers every single Friday. Follow and do this step-by-step strategy every week, and you can send your offers to thousands of prospects. Get the source and the steps by using my link in the description. For bonus number three, you're going to get 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. You're going to be able to use the money to pay off your bills or start a business. It's true. Yep, there are some websites online where kind, rich people donate to people in need. Okay, now on to the product review.
Are you looking for a fast, secure, and affordable way to store and access your files online? If so, you need Wavecloud, the all-in-one platform for unlimited cloud storage. Wavecloud is not like any other cloud storage service. It uses a revolutionary technology called SSD Cloud to provide super fast storage and delivery of all your videos, audio, images, and media files. You can upload and manage your files in seconds with one-click folder creation and seamless file sharing. Plus, you can access your files from any device anywhere, anytime. With Wavecloud, you don't have to worry about monthly fees, storage limits, or data loss. You only pay once and get lifetime access to unlimited cloud storage. No more multiple subscriptions or hidden charges. And your data is encrypted and protected from viruses, ransomware, and hard disk crashes. You can rest assured that your files are safe and secure with Wavecloud. Wavecloud is the ultimate cloud storage solution for anyone who wants to simplify their digital life. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, a student, or a hobbyist, Wavecloud can help you store and access your files with ease and convenience. You can save time, money, and space with Wavecloud. And you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your files always available and accessible. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already switched to Wavecloud and experience the difference for yourself. Wavecloud is currently offering a special launch deal with a huge discount and exclusive bonuses. But hurry, this offer won't last long. Click the link below and get Wavecloud today.